your reels aren't blowing up like everybody else's, let's talk about the common mistakes that you might be making and the reasons why your reels aren't doing amazing. Hey, what's up? I'm Rasha and welcome to my channel. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications and follow me on Instagram while you're at it, at Rasha. But let's get right on into the most common mistakes I see people making on Instagram reels and the reason why a lot of y'all reels might not be blowing up. So here are some of the top mistakes I see people making on Instagram reels, and I think the number one is they have way too much text. I understand trying to caption what you're talking about, but instead of doing that whole paragraph that you're saying, how about if you do just like a little sentence or whatever to get that point across where you don't have to cover the whole screen with a paragraph full of text. It's not fun, and then when it's little, you can't read it, and you only have 15 to 30 seconds. Who has time to read all of that? And I know that some people give y'all like these little hacky things where they're like put a whole bunch of text so people want to come back, but actually people don't want to come back. People don't want to read all of that. They'll just skip and go to the next. While we're talking about text, I think another issue that happens a lot is that y'all's text be all over the place. Align your text, y'all. If you move your text around the screen while you're creating, you can see the borders, right? And if you get something in line or you want something to line up, then what do? You just push your text over, right? And you can see that little guide that'll come up and be a ruler and it'll say it's lined up. So why don't y'all use those tools? They give it to y'all for a reason, right? We wouldn't put out a flyer. We wouldn't go on Canva, make a flyer and have the title right here, the text right here, then some more text over here. Line your text up, make it look neat, make it look clean. Don't make it look like you don't know what you're doing. Even if you don't, fake it till you make it, y'all. Fake it till you make it. Line your text up.
I know that's right.
Woo! And just to keep talking about like text and stuff, that's another big issue, which I don't understand why y'all haven't got it through y'all's heads yet. Not everybody's looking at reels on the reels tab. So when y'all put y'all's titles and y'all's captions and stuff all the way up here, it's like right here. We can't see that. Not if we on our feed. Not if we on our feed. We can't see that. If we're on the explore page and it pop up, sometimes we can't see that. We cannot see that. So add your text in that square so that regardless of if you're on your feed, if you're on your store, if you're anywhere, you can read it. If it's in that square, we can see it wherever. We can see it on the Reels tab, we can see it on our feeds, we can see it in our stories, we can see it on the Explore tab, we can see it everywhere. So put your text in that square, because if I just see a video of you doing like this on my feed and I can't see what you're saying, guess what I'm gonna do? Skip. And I'm not gonna double tap, I'm not gonna comment, I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm just gonna skip. Make sure that you're putting all your add-ons for that video in that square. Other than that, don't worry about it. Another common mistake I see is that y'all be filming off of y'all's iPhone 4S's. Okay, I know that y'all aren't, but when y'all don't have no light, it be blurry, it look like y'all ain't watch y'all's camera screens. That's all giving me the same quality, and nobody want to see that. Nobody want to see that, so run it back. And I understand that sometimes when you use different editors and you upload and things, Instagram compacts that quality. It has happened to me. I have some reels that definitely has happened to me too. But all your reels shouldn't be like that. It is okay to have high quality. It is great to have high quality. We love a high quality queen. So please step your quality up when you are creating reels. Make sure that you clean your phone screen and your camera lens. Make sure that you have some lighting. I'm not saying go get studio lighting. I'm just saying, you know, ring lights are $20 on Amazon. You can have natural sunlight, like that's free. Actually, I'll link my ring light and I'm gonna link my studio light in the description box if y'all need lighting. I got y'all, because it's all affordable. And get y'all a tripod. Stop having your phone leaning up on books where it's leaning to the side and we can't see it. It is okay to have a tripod. If you want to create real seriously, then get y'all a tripod. Again, I paid 16 bucks for my tripod. I'll link it in the thing. But let's up the quality. It's just little things that we can do, because then y'all's phones be sliding down through the whole reels, and that's fine. If y'all can't afford a tripod, I get it. That is fine. Then redo the reel. Stop posting stuff when it's just like, oh, I'll try again next time. No, don't post it. Maybe we shouldn't post that.
No ma'am.
Another mistake that I see a lot of y'all making, y'all's reels are boring. Where is y'all's personality? I don't care if you're an introvert, an extrovert, Gerald Levert. Like, where's the personality at in y'all's reels? It don't hurt to smile. It don't. It don't. So smile. Have fun with it. I'm not saying get on there and start doing TikTok dances and stuff, but at least look like you want to be here. Look like you care. Stop making reels seem like it's just a job for you, because it reads through the camera and nobody wants to watch that. And that's a big reason on why your reels are going nowhere, because you're sitting there like this. Or you're over faking it. Now, come on now, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm sick of seeing reels of people trying to give this fake personality that they're not. Like, oh my goodness. I watched this one reel and this girl had her husband in it and he looked like he was being held hostage to make this reel. We can read people, like we got eyes, we can see people, like we get it. Like we see that y'all are not happy, we see y'all are uncomfortable. Like, if you ain't comfortable with it, don't do it. Don't do it. You ain't doing nothing for us. Just stop. And I get it. It's hard and it takes a lot of practice to get on camera, show up, and feel comfortable. Trust me, been there before. If you've seen my old YouTube videos, you know that I didn't just walk on camera like, hey. Like, I get it. But practice makes perfect. And again, like I said before, if you know that this is not the best, don't just post it out there. Like when it comes to YouTube, I say, look, just film the video and post it, because you just gotta post, because it's hard to get on YouTube and post. But when it comes to reels, you only got 15 to 30 seconds. It's so easy to just re-record that video again, or try again, or try a different edit and spice it up. Let your personality shine through your reels. And where you feel like you're lacking, let the music pick it up, because that's another thing, is your music that you choose for your reels can definitely change the whole mood of what's going on. So have fun with your reels. That's the #1 tip when creating reels, is just have fun with it. Don't make it a job. Reels is such a powerful tool right now on Instagram. I have seen it change so many people's accounts. People have been able to use Instagram Reels and go from 3,000 followers to 20,000 in little to no time. So please use Reels and just don't fall victim to these common Reels mistakes. You got this. Think of avoiding these mistakes as kind of like some Instagram growth hacks or something. I don't know. But you got this. Don't worry. I am rooting for you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and tag me in your reel so I can see what you're creating. But you got this. I will see you in the next one. Make sure y'all check out these videos right here, because YouTube thinks that they are the best for you. Check it out. Check it out. Hey, check it out. I love Nicki Minaj, y'all. But I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.